So another fun thing we can do with 2019.1 is, in addition to our favorites in Munis, we can also integrate it with our favorites outside of Munis. So maybe you guys use a certain bank very often with Munis, when you're working with your vendors, with accounts payable, your check recon. If you're constantly finding yourself going out to the town's website, the bank, maybe it's ESS or VSS. If you want to add that bookmark into Munis, you can. What you can do is you can go over to add category. You don't have to, you can add it to an existing category, but I like to add categories, just a different way of grouping it. You can throw in your name if you want. Maybe you want to add in like Taylor's links, Taylor's bookmarks, or you just want to call these bookmarks, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to hit add. Remember, whenever we add something, it goes all the way to the bottom. So I'm going to go all the way to the bottom to find that. Then I'm going to go to add custom. And custom is where I can add in the website. So if I go underneath category, I'm going to tell it where on my favorites menu I want the website link to be. I want it underneath that category I just made, bookmarks. And then I'm going to keep this a super simple example, guys. I'm just going to use Google. And then down here, ironically, it does give you the Google URL. If you didn't know it, you could go to Google, copy and paste it. If you know it, you can just type it out. And then when you're ready, you're going to hit add. It's going to show up underneath your bookmarks with the name you gave it up here and the link hidden. We can save that. Once we save that, our menu is going to refresh. So we see our favorites loading. Our bookmarks are down here. And then we can click on Google. And that's going to bring us out to the Google website. So very basic example, but if you guys have things you use heavily with Munis, like your bank or your town, that would be a good thing to bookmark in there.